what else have we talked about a tangent? SOHCAHTOA, Trey? These don't really have a lot to do with each other. Okay, what is a tangent? It is a line that only touches your circle in one spot. Yeah, it is hard to sure we can call it that. But, or we can call it the point of tangency, but whatever. And what's important about this spot is it's perpendicular to a radius. So what kind of a triangle could I draw here?
Right.
So what theorem do we typically use with a right triangle? Pythagorean theorem. That's what we're going to do a lot today. It's not hard. It's not. It is not. So it says determine if AB is tangent to circle P. So if I want to figure out if this is tangent, I have to see if that's a right angle. So do the Pythagorean theorem and see if it works or not. You already know.
We've done this so many times, I know 8 squared plus 15 squared equals 17 squared.
Well, I'm going to pretend like you don't know. It makes my job more fun. But you're right. So we'll get 64 plus 225. Still leaving it blank.
Wow. I just had a guess.
So you didn't even know?
No, I knew. We've done this before.
So does 289 equal 289?
Yeah.
Yes. So it's tangent. Had we got 290, would it be tangent?
No.
Okay. No. Has to be equal.
Hey, it's my pencil.
This one says, find the value of x, assume that segments that appear to be tangent are tangent. What are we going to do? Wait, what happened to my other one? Wait, we got to go back. Oh, close your eyes. Where's my other one? There it is. Are we going in the right order? Oh yeah, we're fine. JK. What do we do, guys?
17 squared minus 14 squared equals x.
Yeah, just Pythagorean theorem again.
So 90. 96.
Let's talk about this.
Okay, what's the square root of 93?
9.6.
Thank you, friends. Thank you. Are we okay?
Yes.
Okay, now the next one is similar but a little more hard. So we're doing the Pythagorean theorem again, but we just don't know some things. So, which side, let's just figure this out, is my hypotenuse? SR, right? Because that's my right angle.
2 plus x.
2 plus x would be that whole thing. Well, let's write it like this. We'll have equals 2 plus x squared. Okay? This would be just a 4, right? But what's the length of QR?
We don't know. X is radius.
Right, if this is a radius and it's x, this has to be the same length. Isn't that tricky? Tricky. Okay, well now it gets a little more tricky.
Oh, now we have to like do the cross.
Kind of. What's 4 squared?
16.
Good job. Leave our x squared. But now how do I deal with this thing?
X squared. 4 plus x squared.
This really means to multiply it by itself. I'm gonna write it the other way. That's what squaring means, right? You multiply the same thing by itself, and then you FOIL. So what is 2 times 2?
4.
What is 2 times x?
2x.
Now you move through your x. What's x times 2?
2x.
And then x times x is x squared. It looks ugly, but it really simplifies nice. Hi! What are all these things? Yes, they are. Thanks. What counts is on both sides. So that's nice. Get rid of them. Let's move our 4 over. So what's 16 minus 4? And how many x's am I left with?
3.
That wasn't so bad. Just know when you have something squared like this, it's just not 4 and 2x or x squared. You have to FOIL it out.
No way Jack knows how to do this.
He does. I taught him that. He
You
should-
taught him this?
Yeah, I had him last year. He should remember.
Uh-oh.
Okay, then we have 2 other little properties. I like to call this one the party hat. Does this look like a little kid with like a party hat on the side?
Yeah.
I don't know. That's what makes it stand out. Like, doesn't this look like a party hat?
Oh, you can make it. Oh,
Like a party cone?
ice cream cone. Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably a better one.
That's a fact, man.
Okay.
Once I said you put.
All it's saying though, if I have 2 tangent lines, how do I know these are tangent?
Right.
Touches it once and it's right. Come to the same point on the outside, they're equal. So if this was 10, what would CB be?
10.
They're just the same. Okay? Do they look like they're the same?
Yeah.
So if you didn't know on a test, what would you just do if you just had a guess?
They're really the same.
Yeah. Okay, good job.
So does that mean AD and CD are the same? Alright, I guess.
Yes, they're radius. Yep. It does. And then the other one is, if you have a polygon circumscribed around your circle, all the sides are tangent. So why do we care about that? Well, what would be equal to DB? BE. What would be equal to FC? What about...
Wait, does that mean BE is equal to EC?
No, not necessarily. And what about FA? Yeah. We'll practice that.
What about PD?
That'd be a radius.
PE.
Radius. PF. Radius.
Wow.
Okay, let's try this one. Find x. What's our plan? Equals. Yep. Kaden, will you turn around, please? What'd you guys get correct?
14. Oh my goodness. Nope.
Also, all the angles are
Okay, then our last one. Find the perimeter. Do I have enough info to find my perimeter right now as it is?
No.
Yes.
Yes, I do. Yes.
Well, we will.
We
We will.
Because you just need the 23.
Because I'm missing this length right here
That one.
and that one.
Which we know.
Do we know?
Yeah, no, wait. If you do,
Don't we know it?
if you do 52.5 minus 27.1.
Okay, wait, so he knows this is equal to this.
Yeah.
So
and
if this is 27.1, what would be left over for this?
I don't know, but that's the math that I know, which equals.
I don't get how those two are the blue ones, 25, 24.
They're not.
They aren't.
These aren't
Yeah,
congruent.
she's just.
Yep, 25.4, which makes this All right.
You add both those together,
That's beautiful. No, we still need to do the top one.
25.4.
If this is 23, what's this?
23.
So what's this guy?
17.
14.5.
Oh my god. 14.5. Look at that.
Which makes that 14.5.
It feels so
And then you just add them all up.
Okay, add them all up to your little math.
Yeah.
Grade works.
Grade
as
works.
So bad.
It would make it even better if we just had a
Freshman.
worksheet today.
You're a freshman, right?
If we had what?
A worksheet, not book.
Monday's a worksheet. All next week's a worksheet. Exciting. And then we're done. And then we start reviewing for our
Awesome.
finals.
So now we know final.
180, everyone?
Yeah.
There. And we're done. No more class.
But radical also means
Okay, grab one expo marker. We're gonna do a few.